don't need nobody else.
Mama Sanu Denza.
Oh yeah.
Pella when you the one and Mao shake it down. Kelun heads and feel shanya, you the best. You know, rest in Bible. She's lying on my chest. This what you know, I'm go. When you got tests, you deserve no bend on. And tell you happiness. Kapandle kwako, I'm lonely. I was free when you party and it came into my life. Man said everything is fine. Don't you be terrified. I'm gonna make you my wife. You gotta see.
Oh, nah.
Yo, it's your boy L Peace, man. Yo, GP Gang. Yo, shout out my fam. Shout out to King Nas. Yo, inhliziyo yam, shy tiki. You the only one that I love. Kaninzi usisithando sam. Ntombazana gigi like gigi. Bika mutana mshungisi. Baby girl like ding, I cannot do this. Ngaphandle kwakho sethethile nomfundisi. Nomalume bakho nana, let's do this. Uyandrakisa, uyandidisa. Mamona Lisa uneza put the lyrics. I mean lyrics, yo. Lyrics, you my medicine. Uyandiphilisa, sengochirwan. Oyimatandane yam, Kit Kat yam, peanut butter yam. Awuyo alarm, kodwa vusa inhliziyo yam. You the one, hey. About you, hey, you my baby boo and I got you, hey, I said I got you, just think about you, hey, about you, I got you, hey, look, whatever you need, I'ma get it done. Whenever I sleep, I see your face every time. You're beautiful indeed. Bume L-Town, Beauty and the Beast. Mfuna wena, oh my God, you're so beautiful and sexy. Jennifer Lopez, I like it when you're happy, laughing to my stupid raps. Wanna be with you, noba kwa zinsuku kupet. When I see you, iba ngathi ngashayi ukulu kupet. Yes, but to caterpillar is a mess. But guess what, when uyantanda nevertheless. I'm blessed, never gonna take no chance. You the best, on the corner, I'll be like, yeah, Sengochirwan, oyimatanani yam, Kit Kat yam, peanut butter yam. Awuyo alarm, got to vusa inhliziyo yam. You the ones of hey, I said I got you. Hey, you my baby boo and I got you. I said I got you. Hey, all I do is think about you. Hey, I got you. Hey. Look. Inhliziyo yam, ishayi tiki, you the only one that I love. Kaninzi usisithando sam. Ntombazana gigi like gigi, kwezo lips zakho. I swear nongaphinde. Ntombazana, please look into my eyes. Please believe I ain't telling no lies. Shy ding dong, ndenza otherwise. Mon shine, get smile, vele born in paradise. I just wanna be with you one time. Balling with my girl all day one time. Loving all the things that you do one time. Got me feeling crazy a day one time. Age, nakuranza, you on fire, my girl, bangihlanza. You the best, vele apikasla. You the best, vele apikasla. Hey, I said I got you. Hey, you my baby boo and I got you. Hey, I got you. All I do is think about you. Yo, I'm GP Gang, man. Big shout out to Annalisa on the chorus, man. Title of the song, Think About You. Yo. Yo. This one goes out to all the hustlers, man. You niggas, you gotta hustle hard. Make sure you ain't going broke. Chase pep. I'm GP Gang. Yo. Let's go. Hey. No, we're tryna get the money on the low. Hey. No, we're gonna get it, never going broke. Hey. Hey. Yo, Look, bro, all about the bands, get the racks, full stop. You wanna give me cash? You the man, good talk. All about the bands, get the racks, fully dough. Yeah, very low, ding I fairly good. Let God watch. Ding I fairly good, ding I fair live aside. Oh my God, caterpillar, you a such the kind of man tryna get a million dollars badge. Soon, man, so I've been petty cash in my inventory. And all petty cash in my inventory. I got the bars, I got a spaz in my enemies. Get it? TPK, my family tree. Yo, tryna get the money on the low. We gonna get it, never going broke. Getting married to the ATM, can't wait for the key. See my wife and dingy pin, first born here to ching ching. Man, I'm all about the rings, bling bling is my thing. Look at the flick of the wrist, look at the flick of the wrist, I'm the beast. Talent is in my veins, man. Airflow, sappy pencil, the ATM. This a throw, caterpillar is so insane, man. You better blow up, elevate into a higher grade, cause the people chose us. The T, don't go, the pen, cannons and a Loto, hey, Kabenzulisi, then Gaga, Utochamenze, strong, hey, yo, we tryna get the money on the low, yeah, hey, yo, we tryna get the money on the low, yo. Caterpillar, lyrically, Makatabe pill on the beat, lyrical. I can beat, would tell my lagat. I can sell it battlefield. They be waiting on my EP. Inspiration, Bayern Booza EP. Litty as EP, cooking in the kitchen. A petition, Caterpillar got the vision. Money machine, Marin Pogot just the killer. Dylan Bill, ayy, going broke, but that's why I'm going get it with my niggas funny milli. So going at mini, been going cause I a bank. I'm a nigga and came up with my niggas blah. Hey, we tryna get the money on the low. Yo, yeah, we gon' get it, never going broke. Hey. Gonna get it, never going broke. Oh, on the low, hey, Shout out to King Nas in the chorus. Yeah, GP Gang. Yo, this one goes to all the people who support us, man. GP Gang, when they support the LPs, you know what I'm saying? Dedication, man. Shout out to King Nas. You know, if you got my back, this one is dedicated to you. Saying shout out to you, to everyone. I better look to Mgulu with, yeah. Dedication. This my jam, hey, if you got my back, hey, you help me get the bag. My niggas typical. Hey, and you the best. Brigade for having my back, now I celebrate. MDA, NU8, now we elevate to higher stage. I got this, I got my team. LPs is the name, a nigga. But the beat to the team, live from the tear, jungle, pick up the spear. Shout out to you, and shout out to you, to the fans, nigga. I bet to you, go back with you, go back some fans, nigga. Hey, shout out to Blue, every tell it, Duke. Chip gang, nigga. Hey, we got the food, shot in you, it's time for the cash, nigga. Shout out to you, shout out to you. We do this for you. You unforgettable. If you come back, you help me get the bag. never gonna quit soze unothe naxa ni-rich uzudlalela fair my crib ngifuna inothe I swear soze nitmele zikegqwetha elikuwilithe awe masikend shout out to you man shout out to me goddamn Caterpillar I'm the main man the rapper the all raps recommend kasi rapper EP is in demand shout out to God for the talent I won't stop until man in my land when I'm strong was made of a sub man going to the top and my haters was aspect shout out to Lyrical C Jordan no ATD once is the best of a year at Bunny I'm honey my knee Charlie Pratt fair with tunics dedication to the fans remix to begin we're made for the music shout out to the music if you come up back get my niggas to prepare hey you the best if you come up back shout out to you hey my niggas to prepare hey you the best man
Peace, ladies and gentlemen. Umculo wakhe I think introducer better. But mandigiya kuqala uzibulisele kubaphulaphuli beKumkani FM and all your supporters.
Okay, ngicela uthathe lithuba ndizibulisele kubaphulaphuli beKumkani FM and all abantu bonke abasupport umculo kaLPs. Yo, it's your boy LPs, man. You know how it is.
You stutter.
I think the energy and all the
it's the cutest thing ever. Don't worry, it's one of the cutest things ever. I picked it up on Think About You and I was like, oh, it's so nice. Yes. I think it's nice. Tell us a bit about
so
it's very rare that you find a person saying that, ne? I know. Tell us a bit about Think About You.
Think About You is
okay, man, do you write on personal things or do you just write in general?
To be honest, it depends. Sometimes I like yes, express on the paper and then I like no, this is how I feel. So the couple paper and sometimes I'm very creative. Okay, this big yeah.
Okay.
Just imagine the situation.
About Think About You. Wow, dedication it's fine. Private background. Tell us about Think About You.
When I wrote To Think About You, I think I was kind of emotional. I was in love.
Were
so,
I thought you were gonna say and then you continue shaking Tatiana and the sickle way. Oh, okay, perfect.
So I felt like no, let me just write a song to explain the feeling now. Because it felt like
it felt like the world. Actually, that's how it felt like. It felt like the world.
Yes,
trust me, I understand. I understand. Okay, when did you release the song?
Think About You, I think it was last year. It was on my EP, Kasi Rapper EP.
Okay.
Then I found out, okay, I'm going to I thought, then I decided to push, even I won't say push.
Yeah, yes,
I even had a challenge, about the big verses and then send a videos up. So, Tanabulela go to take challenge, and send a videos up. Every man is posted on my WhatsApp and all the other social
medias. Where are you from originally? Like Kushala Pingok?
Originally I'm from Mthatha. I was born in Mthatha.
Okay.
But then I think it was 2013 I came up East London. From there like in Tanzania 2013 up until last year.
I'm asking because your music in Kumbuza music Ganzo. Do you know a guy called Ganzo?
Yeah, from Tanzania.
Yes. When I was listening to you, you have the same talent, Mandit. when I was listening to you, I thought it's matured. It's matured. I like listening to music like that. And then go Brooke. In love ATM. I'm sorry, like the vendor confused because Galoku sana ebenematandani all of a sudden. All of a sudden, go in love ATM.
Can't wait for the keys.
Sana isn't go ching ching. It's fine. I listen. So tell us, go broke.
Go Broke, like, is one of those songs I felt like, damn, I'm so broke and I'm so frustrated. Just the situation because I got money.
Hey, the lockdown is affecting us all.
Oh,
Kuvuliwe at least kancinci ku level 2. So is it a bit better?
It's a little bit better ngoku. Ngoku abantu basebenzayo. You know kuvulekile.
So utsho nawe umile kweli elithi vula president. Yeah, the artists were going up and down. Yes. Zitsho ke i-artist president akutsho mna mntasekhaya unganibethi. Kuthiwa vula president kodwa ke andifuna uphosisa president once uvule nami ndizawubenefit. So ke vula president. Last song, dedication. Yeah.
I mean like ke yona ke explain is dedicated to wonke umuntu osupportayo. Like there are people who support me. Ever banthumela message if ni dropping ngoma. There are people abazocomment abanginika feedback ba yo LP simnandi le ngoma. Yo LP imnandi but phana pha lebona abantu abanjalo. So I felt like mandibonisa ba I appreciate yonke lawe man khuphi ingoma ethi dedication together with the crew yami in the green paper. Oh, okay. It's a nice song. I don't want to lie.
Thank you so much.
Because one, as the community, people always felt that abom rapper, they release a song, supporters, the song is out, then they start swearing at the community. Yes. So, exactly. So dedication, I think it's better because you're really just giving thanks to everyone who supported you through that journey.
Yes.
Mandito Pandi to put to me a King Williamstown Usubamele. Thank you very much, Booty, for your support. And this is the first time he's actually tuned in at Kumkani FM. So he was saying that he's very excited there. Is there anything else you'd like to say? Your Kalufmanaka Gwazipi social media platforms.
The chapake ku Facebook and on Instagram. Okay. So on Instagram go L_peace_RSA. Then go Facebook go Luxolo Ntsinga LPs.
Okay.
Can you search a page LPs? That's where uzofuna khona umculo wami.
I was going to ask, besides la page khona indawo umculo wakho ufumana kuyo?
Ndisazama like audio mac and stuff ndisupload nje umculo mbala.
Okay.
Most umculo ku links is ku Facebook na ku Instagram.
Okay. So that's where you go when you want to get a hold of his music. Before sorry about that. Before kubaleke putam ikhona into oba woluyithetha kubaphulaphuli bekumkani FM okanye ku listeners and followers and your supporters.
First of all ndithanda ubulele ikumkani FM ngale platform yabo because banikeza artists njengami i-chance baveze talent yabo. So ndithi shout out to Kumkani FM nabamameli bayo and also nabantu abasupport LPs. Big shout out Green Paper abantu abasupportayo. Ndibulela kakhulu ngangazenzisiyo.
Mandimiyeke ke but abaleke ulobhuti uthe la way yakhe usayiqhuba soyisamonwabisa mandimiyeke ke ba ayazonwabisa pha kuyo. Ndimkhupha ngosizo sithi amandla akho.